People will eventually convert their Bitcoin to Casper. Caspians, if you're interested in this topic, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, watch the video until the end so you don't miss anything, and share the video with your friends and family. As we could see throughout the whole market, right? Just look around. There's only a few altcoins that are still performing in the green and still performing well against Bitcoin. There's only a few, right? All the other alts are bleeding into infinity right now. They're bleeding to hell. But Cas is holding up so well and still shows a ton, so much strength against Bitcoin, which going into the bull cycle, I'm telling you guys, will be more significant than we could even imagine, right? From Hamza, people eventually convert their Bitcoin to Cas. I'm not saying it just to say it, but Casper is a perfect stateless money. The founders Casper is cited in the ETH white paper and also referenced among most of the top 10 and 100 projects you see today. World's first block DAG proof of work. I would like Casper to be a long-term contender for the open financial system while keeping faithful to the fundamentals of Satoshi. So in a sense, Casper aims to implement a vision which once upon a time was Bitcoin's vision. And that is from Casper founder Jonathan Sampolinsky. From Space Traveler, BTC and Cash remind me of Nokia and Apple, or Blockbusters and Netflix. Nokia and Blockbusters got busted by superior technology. Apple had better UX via iPhone. Netflix had better UX via streaming. Casper has better UX via speed, ultra low fees, and unparalleled security. And that's really how it is in this space. Technology trumps technology. And as time progresses, as crypto and blockchain, blockchain will evolve to blockdag, right? Progresses, a lot of these old protocols will be left in the dust by new protocols. It happens over and over again from all the previous cycles, right? A lot of projects that were previously in the top 10, top 50 aren't there anymore, right? From then, Cash remains solid even when there is blood across the streets. Casper is attracted by the 4 cents price range like a magnet. If there is no new Black Swan event, I expect a retest to 4 cent price and then fly to the last all-time high around 5 cents. Sentiment is pretty bullish. Some catalysts coming soon. Rust mainnet beta launch, testnet relaunch. No matter what happens, enjoy the ride. Don't let your emotions take over, and do not over invest. Smartest way to go about it, man. Dollar cost average. Don't invest more than you're willing to lose, and be patient. That's really all it is, man. Right? Because we're not gonna see the crazy runs for Cas. You think it's, we've seen crazy runs yet? It's going to be insane going into the bull cycle, guys. So make sure you get a bat that you're comfortable with. Don't overinvest, obviously, and then just be patient. Diamond hands going into the next bull cycle. Rasta Legend, how easy it is for Casper to climb. I'll say it again. Follow the miners and you will find gold. If you don't understand, I don't have time to explain to you. So right now, Casper sitting at 20 PHS, and that is gonna, I'm telling you, price typically follows hash rate. That is gonna be a very positive impact on Casper's price. Cryptograd, the volume keeps increasing. Trust in progress. Check out the remarkable growth in Casper's hash rate from 1.8 PHS to over 20 PHS today. The surge is driven increase by ASIC mining, boosting Casper's hash rate and also securing Casper's network, which is what proof of work was built upon, or the consensus of Bitcoin was built upon, right? Proof of stake has a ton of security issues that a lot of people don't recognize. I wouldn't be surprised, just like how Vitalik's, a lot of you guys don't know this, but recently maybe you know, but recently Vitalik's Twitter got hacked. And it's the same thing with proof of stake protocols, right? It's easy for proof of stakes protocols to get hacked. We saw it with Harmony One. They lost like hundreds of millions of dollars with Harmony One, and you don't know if Harmony One will be able to make a comeback because of that, right? Proof of stake security issues will play a major role in the future when we see, you know, quantum computing and stuff and stuff like that, guys. If Vitalik's Twitter could get hacked, who's to say Ethereum can't get hacked, right? Stay tuned for more Casper achievements. You see that hash rate just hitting new all-time high after new all-time high. And I had to, you know, mention this tweet because CryptoGrad, exciting news from the Casper core dev. Cas is gearing up for a major improvement. Soon we'll see 10 BPS taking over TPS to 3,000 TPS transactions per second. But that's not all. We're aiming for a remarkable 10,000 TPS, which is a modest estimate, by the way, from Shai, all on a Fear decentralized proof of work network. And, you know, this is my thumbnail right here. CryptoGrad, I don't know if he checks out the videos or not, but it's great to see, man. 10,000 TPS for Casper coming soon, right? And that is modest, okay, on a proof of work project, by the way. It's not proof of stake. Proof of stake could achieve extremely high scalability as far as TPS, but it sacrifices security, right? Proof of work is slower because, you know, it doesn't, the goal is to not sacrifice security for scalability, right? But if 10,000 TPS on a proof of work project is some mind-blowing stuff, and Shai, like I said that is modest, okay? Kaspa sitting right now at 0.39 cent, $11 million in market cap, $11 million in 24-hour trade volume, right? We recently touched that 4 cent mark. We're retracing back down. From GoldenEye, I said it before and I'll keep saying it again and again. If you missed out on $40 Bitcoin, then don't miss out on Cas. This is the one. From Mer, even if BTC dumps to 12K, Cas will not dump that much. 16 hearts for that. I think because of how Casper has performed throughout the bear market last year with those crazy terrible, absolutely terrible. It's still terrible market conditions even now, man. Like it sucks. The market sucks, man. But Cas performed what was the best and more than likely is the best performing asset we've seen for the whole bear market going from last year to this year. Cas has been the best performing asset, right? I think that Cas is probably the only project that got to $1 billion market cap in the past year, right? Other than Pepe. So that's what I'm saying. I don't think Bitcoin dump will, affect Cas as much as people may expect. JC7, Casper has been my best investment by far. 7 hearts for that. Shrey, Cas is already in its own bull run. Wait for the real bull run and Casper will go ballistic. 25 hearts, 24 hearts, my apologies for that. I'm telling you guys, it's gonna be crazy. Shrey knows what he's talking about. Billy Boy, Cas, best coin I've ever seen. 9 thumbs up, 8 hearts for that. From PK Crypto, Cas will be on Ledger soon. This will boost adoption much more as it opens the door for most to safely store their Cas. If you still like Ledger or not, it doesn't matter as it is the most frequently used hardware wallet. So very big news and more adoption for Casper currency. Now, there has been this backdoor situation with Ledger as far as like them giving data to a company and stuff like that. So Ledger does have controversy around it. But still, Ledger support for Casper will be great for people that want to store on Ledger because it is the most used hardware wallet, the most frequently used hardware wallet, right? Obviously, new hardware wallets like Tangent will have to pick up some steam before more and more people use them, right? But yeah, I think that is great stuff to see overall, because if majority of people are using Ledger still, even with the controversy for Cas, that's gonna be great. From Crypto Bull God, Cas Weekly, we just closed our weekly candle above the 10 SMA. Historically, this has led to a large appreciation in prices. I've projected the average time and price projection level. So look at this. Wow, this is a great chart right here. Look at this, man. This is a great chart. From its launch, you saw that 200% move at the 8 bars, 56 days, right? 21 days. Then we saw that 623% move. And then recently we saw 42 days, that 144% move at 3 cents. And now the next move in the next 42 days could be another 324% move to send Cas all the way to 16 cents, right? I've been saying 14 cents before the end of the year. That's 42 days from now, guys, right? I'm telling you, it's possible. It could potentially happen, man. Cas has been so strong and performing so well, you know. Get your bag before it's too late. That's all I gotta say, man. Caspians, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, share the video with your friends and family. Once again, thank y'all from the bottom of my heart, and I'll catch you in the next one.